Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Redmi Tab SE. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then look for the apps on this menu bar, and tap on the manage apps. Now check the list, all these applications on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, you have to tap on it and choose uninstall. Now click on OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then choose the clear data and choose manage space. Tap on the clear data and tap on OK. After that your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application you have to tap on the green circle and choose OK. Now add a permission to the files. Then go back. Whole process should start automatically, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software should be removed from your tablet. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.